In this video, we are going to see how we can set up a new company in QuickBooks Online, and also we will see the introduction of the QuickBooks Online latest interface. So first of all, when you set up the new account in QuickBooks Online, it welcomes you with a welcome screen, and then immediately it started a wizard where it is asking about your business. So basically it will immediately ask you to set up the company. We will directly work on a project so that we can understand each and every functionality in a better and practical way. So we are taking an example of a trading company which buys and sells car parts. The company name is Elite Traders. So guys, what I have done is I have skipped that wizard, and now I have landed to this page where I can see the dashboard of the company, even if I want to access any particular portion. For example, in the accounting, if I want to access the chart of accounts, I have the chart of accounts as well. That means even if you skip through the company creation process, it will still create a company by default in the trial version. But here there is no data. It's a brand new company and there is no company name as well. So in this case, what we need to do is we simply just need to change the company name to whatever we like. Just go to the settings on our right and click on accounts and settings. And here we just click on edit. No company name. I'll just paste Elite Traders. Click on save. I've already changed the name here, but you will see no company name here. Click done. And after that, you might need to refresh this. And now we can see the Elite Traders is showing here. This is the company. It's already set up, just we have changed the name of it. Now, when we set up a company, you will land to the dashboard where you can see the graphical representation of the company's overall performance. You can see all the invoices. You can track your money. We have different groups here: not paid, paid invoices, deposited money, cleared money. And also we have some graphical representation of the profit and loss accounts, expenses tracker, and all the top customers and bank accounts. And we can also customize this however we want. And after that, we have a specific section for each area. Like in the accounting, we can perform all the generic transactions like banking transaction, recurring entries. We can set up the chart of accounts. In the expenses, we have the vendors related transaction. In the sales, we have the customer related transactions. And we can create the customers, and all the activities are showing right here. So all of these tabs are related to a specific functionality which we will explore in much detail, but this is just an overview of the dashboard and how you can create the company in QuickBooks Online. Now I want you to land on this interface first so that you can follow along as we will progress in our project. So just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.